Every kilogram of snake meat begins here, deep inside the modern snake farming grounds. Farmed snakes are raised under strict biosecurity for the snake meat industry.
Only mature, healthy snakes qualify for the snake meat processing line.
Each snake is inspected, tagged, and weighed before entering the snake meat supply chain. Every snake of this snake meat facility is traceable from pen to package. Only certified snakes pass into the snake meat production pipeline. Live snakes are prepared for cold chain transfer to the snake meat processing plant. Thousands of snakes are farmed daily for the modern snake meat industry. Every batch leaves the snake farm under strict temperature control.
The snake meat journey now moves from the farm to the factory floor.
The live snake cargo begins its cold chain journey to the snake meat plant.
3 snake trucks arrive together at the snake meat processing complex.
Every snake meat delivery is GPS tracked from farm to factory. Mid-route checks keep the snake meat cargo safe and compliant. The snake meat facility receives its live cargo under strict security.
Every snake meat shipment is logged the moment it enters the plant.
The Anaconda meat truck reaches the intake bay for controlled unloading.
Trained handlers await the snake meat batch at the intake floor. The snake meat cargo is revealed and unloading begins. Batch 71. Manifest confirms 300 units. The snake meat batch now enters the processing zone. Welcome to one of the largest modern snake meat facilities in operation. Behind these doors, the snake meat transformation begins. Only certified staff can enter the snake meat production floor.
Every snake meat worker must pass the hygiene barrier first.
Standardized PPE is mandatory across every snake meat production step. Cleanliness is the first ingredient in every snake meat product. Air showers remove every particle before entering the snake meat zone.
This is the heart of the snake meat operation.
From this control hub, every snake meat process is monitored.
The snake meat line is now live.
Each snake enters the snake meat line under humane handling standards. Regulated sedation ensures ethical snake meat processing. The snake meat process begins with a full pressure wash. Pressure washing prepares the snake meat for the sorting stage. The snake meat is sorted by length before further processing. Weight determines each python meat grade in this facility.
Every snake meat unit gets a final rinse before skin removal.
Snake meat is prepared for the precision skinning stage. only flawless snakes continue on the snake meat conveyor. The snake meat now moves into the core processing zone. This machine cleanly separates skin from snake meat in seconds.
Byproducts leave the snake meat line for separate industries. Head removal is fully controlled inside the snake meat line. The snake meat is now fully cleaned of internal contents. Every snake meat unit exits this stage completely sterile. Skilled hands guide the snake meat into precision cuts.
Long fillets are the signature cut of premium snake meat.
Every part of the snake supports the snake meat ecosystem.
Fresh snake meat fillets are chilled immediately after cutting.
The snake meat now enters its main transformation stage. The snake meat begins its flavor absorption cycle. Vacuum marination locks flavor into every snake meat fiber.
The snake meat is now ready for gentle smoking. Cold smoking gives the snake meat its signature aroma. "4 hours of smoking transforms every snake meat fillet. Rapid cooling stabilizes the smoked snake meat. Precision slicing brings the snake meat to portion perfection.
Uniform slices define premium snake meat quality. Every 500-gram snake meat portion meets the exact standard. The snake meat now enters the high-tech automation systems.
Robotics accelerate the snake meat sorting stage.
AI vision guarantees every snake meat portion is flawless. No snake meat portion leaves this line unchecked.
Perfectly aligned snake meat portions advance to packaging prep.
Metal detection safeguards every python meat portion.
X-ray verifies internal purity of every snake meat portion.
Every snake meat portion meets its final package.
Vacuum sealing preserves the snake meat's freshness for months. Every snake meat pouch is coded and traceable.
The snake meat now enters its precision finishing lines.
Each snake meat pouch is verified to exact standard weight. Batch codes ensure full traceability of every rattlesnake meat pouch. Only leak-free snake meat pouches proceed. Presentation matters for every premium snake meat pouch.
Human eyes give the snake meat pouch its final approval.
Snake meat pouches are stacked and ready for carton insertion. The snake meat cartons take shape on the finishing line. Every snake meat carton is sealed tight for transport. Each snake meat carton is now fully labeled and traceable.
The snake meat now enters the quality control laboratory.
Every snake meat batch faces rigorous laboratory testing. Random samples of snake meat represent every production batch. Microbial safety is verified for every snake meat batch. Every snake meat batch meets premium composition standards.
Precise pH and moisture ensure premium snake meat texture.
Trained tasters confirm the snake meat's flavor profile.
The snake meat batch is officially certified for market.
Retention samples protect every snake meat batch for years.
The certified snake meat now moves to storage and dispatch.
The snake meat now enters packaging storage and dispatch.
The Python Meat Warehouse manages thousands of pallets daily. Robotic palletizing prepares the snake meat for cold storage.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes each pallet of snake meat cartons.
Frozen storage keeps the snake meat pristine for months.
Every snake meat pallet is barcoded before dispatch.
Pallet 42, manifest confirms 150 kilos. Okay.
Dispatch aligns every snake meat pallet with its destination.
Easy, easy. Watch the left side.
Cold chain dispatch carries the snake meat to global markets. The snake meat shipment leaves the facility fully secured.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.
From farm to table, this is the modern anaconda meat industry.